This avatar you're looking at right now was created from just one single image. No animation skills, no expensive software, and no paid tools. In this video, you'll learn how to turn your photos into high-quality 3D avatar and animate them so they can talk using free AI tools. Crazy, right? All right, Victoria, come in and show everyone how you created me. I'd be delighted to show you.
Make sure you watch till the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, and drop your comments below.
These are the steps you need to take. First and foremost, you need to have images that you want to transition into avatar, into 3D. You need to have those images saved to your gallery. But if you don't have those images, you can simply go to Pinterest and then download any image of your choice that you want to turn into 3D or avatar. Okay, we are going to be trying out 4 apps. We are going to try out LonardoAI, then we are going to use LonardoAI. We are going to use ChatGPT, and we are going to try Google Gemini. Trust me, all of these are free. You can use them for free. The only paid tool right now is LonardoAI, which I'm going to show you other 3 tools that you can still use to achieve this. So first, let's use LonardoAI to check something. So I'm going to come over to LonardoAI, and then I'm going to click on Imagine. You see here, Imagine. Then I'm going to come over to this point, this plus icon here, where I can bring in my image. Okay, I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to kindly click on this, see here. Then I'm going to bring in my image. At this point, I've already saved image from Pinterest for the purpose of this tutorial. So I'm going to kindly click on this first one here, and then I'm going to open. Here is the image that I want to turn into avatar. Go ahead to paste my prompt. Okay, here is my prompt. If you need this prompt here, just join my WhatsApp channel. The prompt is going to be there. I'm going to click here to send. Let's just wait to see if at all LonardoAI will be able to get this right. Here is the avatar of the person seated here. Do you see? This is the original image, and here comes the avatar of the person. Do you understand? So here is how you can get avatar images, 3D, yes, avatar of your image. So for you to download, you come over here to download. Now let's use another tool to try out this same image, to use this same image to try out to see what will be the outcome. So I'm going to come over to LonardoAI.ai. Just go to your browser and then search for LonardoAI. Then once you sign in with your email or your Google account, it will take you to this interface. Once you get to this interface, you come over here. When you see where my cursor is pointing, go ahead to click there. And then at this point, you see Start Frame. Click on Start Frame. At this point, you are going to bring in the image you want to turn into avatar. So I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to come over to Downloads. Here comes the image. Then I'm going to open. So here is the image. I'm going to just paste the prompt here. Okay, so I'm going to click on Generate. You see 70 credits, and I have 150 credits. One thing about this LonardoAI is that they get to give you daily credits. Okay, and then I'm going to click on Generate. Okay, here is the result from LonardoAI. You can see the difference between the two, right? So I'm going to click here to download. Then let's try out ChatGPT. Let's see what ChatGPT is going to give us. So I'm going to come over to this plus icon here on ChatGPT, and then I'm going to click on Add Photos. Then I'm going to bring in the image. Here is the same image here. Then I'm going to go ahead to paste the prompts. I'm going to just click here to send. Let's see the results from ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT is just giving me prompts for me to generate. So I'm going to say create it. Create it. using the reference image. Okay, I'm saying create it. Oh, create it using the reference image above. So I'm going to send. Okay, you can see ChatGPT is creating. Let's just see the results from ChatGPT. As I'm creating, compare and contrast so that you will know the one that you need to be using to create your own image. If you need these prompts, kindly join my channel, my WhatsApp channel. The prompt is going to be there. You can see the results from ChatGPT, right? From the same image. How you can get your 3D image, avatar image. Do you understand? So I'm going to click here to download. Then I'm going to download. Then let's try Google Gemini. Let's just try the 4 tool to know the one that best fits. So I'm going to come over to Google Gemini. You see here. Now I'm going to click on this plus sign here. I'm going to go ahead to upload the image, which is going to be this particular one. And then I'm going to paste the prompt while it is still being generating. Then at this point, I'm going to hit here to send. Let's see the results from Google Gemini. At this point, you should make your choice, the one that you want to be using to create your own 3D avatar. It is not hard. Yes, it is not hard. A lot of people ask me this, how do you create avatar, your 3D avatar images? This is just a simple method you can use to create. As you can see, AI is all about you knowing how to prompt very well. And let's see the result from Google Gemini. Here comes the result from Google Gemini, and the reason is it comes with hair because I mistakenly include this detailed curly hair with beads. But anyways, we've seen that, right? You can see the results from these different tools, from these 4 different AI tools. So I'm going to kindly come over here to download the avatar. So let's just try only one tool with a female character. Let's try only one tool. So I'm going to come over to, I don't know the one I should use. If I should use, okay, let's continue with Google Gemini. So I'm going to click on this plus sign, then upload file. Then I'm going to bring in female character. Okay, here comes the female character. If this image I downloaded from Pinterest, then I'm going to go ahead to paste the prompt. At this point, I'm going to remove the curly hair because she's putting on a tie. So I'm going to just take off the detailed curly hair with beads. Then I'm going to hit here to send. Let's see the avatar of this image. Let's see what will be the result of this. Just go ahead to create your avatar and then animate it, make them talk. Crazy, right? Okay, I'm just going to make only one of them to talk for you to see. I'm going to animate one of them for you to see. Yes. Here comes it, right? This is beautiful, extremely beautiful. Can you see that? This is crazy. This is the original image, and here comes the 3D avatar of that image. I love this. So for you to download, you come over here, see here, click here to download, and voila, you've gotten yourself your 3D image character. So at this point, I'm going to just animate only one of these avatars. So let me come over to Grok AI. Remember, you can also use LonardoAI to animate your character. You can come over to video part and then you turn your character to a video with the free credit that you will be given. Then I'm going to come over to Grok. I'm going to be using Grok to animate my character. So come to the exact position. I'm going to say, here is the dialog. Victoria will show you how you can turn your image to 3D avatar image, just like me, Mr. Wise. So I'm going to click here to send. At this point, my image will talk.
Victoria will show you how you can turn your image to 3D avatar image, just like me, Mr. Wise.
Can you see
Victoria will show you how you can turn your image to 3D avatar image, just like me, Mr. Wise.
Oh, Mr. Wise. Can you hear that?
Victoria will show you how you can turn your...
That is crazy. So for you to download, you come over here to download. I believe you found this video helpful. Do not forget to give a thumbs up. Make sure you like, subscribe to this channel. Try as much as possible to share this video with another creator and drop your comment in the comment section. If there is any video you want me to create, just kindly drop in the comment section and I will see to it. See you in my next one. Goodbye.